Solving the tech talent puzzle is more difficult than ever before. We hear about skill shortages, skills gaps, and the importance of a skilled workforce. But what's the missing piece? Skills intelligence. Knowing who on your team has what tech skills and their proficiency in each area. Cloud Academy, the skills intelligence platform, is the single source of truth to streamline tech talent management. Baseline your company's actual tech skills so you can predictably narrow gaps within your organization. Develop talent with our customizable training plans that are geared towards specific job roles and mimic your tech stack. Validate skills with hands-on labs and challenges, and monitor progress in real time, all within a single platform. Solve your skill gaps intelligently by giving your teams what they need. Hands-on learning for the tangible advancement of their careers, and let your business reap the rewards. See why the world's top companies develop their teams with Cloud Academy. Visit our website to learn more or get started with a 7-day free trial.